Welcome back to Shiza's Playroom. I'm going to read you the book called Listen to My Trumpet, an Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Listen to My Trumpet by Willems, an Elephant and Piggie book. Gerald! Sit, sit, sit! Do not move. I have a trumpet. Do you want to listen to my trumpet? Yes, please. Here I go. Wait, that was not right. Not right at all? Blap, rip, rip, rip. That is better. Better? Drink? Crack, crack. Look at Gerald, he's funny. Rope. Yikes, that is not music. Great. Piggie sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold. Crack, crack, sack, crack, crack, spack. And now the big finish. Gurk, bap, blap, zap, blap, shark, smirk, bonk, gark. Quark. Finished. Finished. So, what do you think of my trumpet? Your trumpet is, yes, go on. Your trumpet is loud and your trumpet is shiny, and you hold your trumpet very well, and I am waiting. Piggie, you are my friend, and I am your friend. So, I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud and shiny and you hold it well, but that was not music. Sorry. Gerald, you think I'm trying to make music? I am trying to speak elephant. I want to sound like you. Oh, but Piggie, your accent needs work. I will teach you. Yay! Try more ick in your creak, creak. That's the end. I hope you like this book called Listen to My Trumpet, an Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give a big thumbs up if you like it. And I'll see you next time.